If you haven't figured it out yet, I really like SpongeBob. So let's talk about that little short. Let's talk first about something that they got wrong. I was hoping that you guys would kind of zero in on how the jellyfish sting is presented to the audience in that small short. Around the end where Plankton is floating into the crowd of jellyfish, they show it as a little electrical shock. There's a little flash of light and a zzz, zzz, zzz every time that he gets stung. But we know that it's not electricity that the jellyfish use to sting Plankton. It's their nematocysts that inject poison into him, the poor guy. But they did get something right, which I think is very interesting. If you look at this screenshot from the short itself, Plankton is moving into this huge crowd of jellyfish. And this is actually a common thing. Jellyfish like to congregate like this. And it's becoming a real issue for our ecosystem. Let's take a look at a few examples here. So these are all pictures of real jellyfish blooms. We've got these jellyfish here that are crowding, it looks like probably close to a dock. This is another one with a bunch of pink jellyfish. And these two examples down here, these are lion's mane jellyfish that tend to congregate near shores around East Asia. They're huge jellyfish, and they're a big problem for shipping and fishing boats because they can clog up the waters and make it difficult to get around. Not to mention the fact that jellyfish can poison you, so you can get really hurt going into a jellyfish bloom. This is the last thing that I'd like to talk about today, how this actually happens and why it's an issue.